How to auto-assign roles to new users in Discord server. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the Discord app on your device, or you can open Discord on a web browser. Sign into your account and select the server from here. After this, from this drop down, you want to click on the server settings option. Now, from these options, click on Roles. If you haven't already, click on the Create Role option and create a role. Type in the role name, then click on the Permissions option and grant the permissions you want. Then click on the Save Changes option. After that is done, in a new tab, you want to search for Carl.gg. On this website, click on Login with Discord. Then click on the Authorize option over here. After that is done, select your server. Once you have selected the server, you want to head back over to Discord. As you can see, CarlBot has been added. Now click on Edit for CarlBot. Then you want to click on the option of permissions over here. Toggle on the option of Manage Roles and then click on Save Changes. After this, head back to Carl dashboard. Here, from the left hand side panel, click on the option of Auto Roles. Then from this drop down, select the role. After that, click on the Save option. And in this way, you can auto assign roles to new users in Discord server. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.